For our next H&R adventure, we're driving from Morgantown, West Virginia, down to Circleville to climb the Via Ferrata.
Hey!
Where are we?
We are at NROCKS Outdoor Adventures in West Virginia.
And what are we about to do?
We are about to rock climb.
Yes, we're gonna go on a Via Ferrata, which means steel path in Italian. There's like steel pegs in the rock side that you clip into and you ascend upwards. So it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah, the weather is actually really nice. We were worried it was going to be too hot or rainy, but it's just very cloudy.
It's
that
very
you can
nice.
see in the background.
Yeah,
very
clouds
cloudy.
are rolling in and it's really beautiful out here.
Yeah.
So as long as the rain stays away, we're gonna have a great time.
Yeah.
Let's do it. What are we doing?
Hey, we just got our gear and we are hiking up.
Let's do it.
Initially, you will get taught how to use the 2-carabiner lanyard, which allows the climber to be clipped into the safety cable at all times. You will unclip and clip 1 carabiner at a time. Therefore, if you were to fall, you will always be secured at the cable.
Towards the end of the climb, you'll encounter what our guide calls the face wall. The face wall is an optional part of the climb, but in our opinion, it's the best part. We're giving you the best views from the very top of the rock formation. It's a challenge to get up and down, but we think it's well worth it.
Hey!
Made it to the top.
Woo!
All the way. Yeah. What do you think?
It's awesome. It's kind of scary
amazing.
though.
A little scary.
Woo.
Incredible.
All right.
Let's head back down.
think?
It was awesome, but very challenging.
Yeah, if you come here, make sure you are physically fit, that you kind of know what you're getting into. The heights are extreme, and when you're dangling on a rope, it's a lot higher than you think. But it is an incredible adventure, and the guides are great. Everyone's really friendly. And we had a blast. That was so much fun, and I recommend it to anybody. You should come do this.
Definitely.
After our climb of the Via Ferrata, we took a short 30-minute drive to the top of Spruce Knob nearby. Spruce Knob is the tallest point in West Virginia, and on a clear day offers great views.
We are at Spruce Knob, West Virginia. This is the highest point in West Virginia.
And what do you think so far?
It's very foggy, so you can't see anything.
Nah, normally there'd be a great view behind us, but right now the clouds are moving in, which is actually really cool. It's very unique, and it makes everything super quiet, and the moisture is collected on the trees. It's I see like there's another big cloud now. It's cool. It's actually very cool up here. It was a nice drive too.